Dorsal column, showoff3 by Shalini Gaskin. The dorsal column is also known as the dorsal column medial lemniscus pathway. The dorsal column is a major sensory pathway mediating the proprioception. Formed by two large fasciculi run through the posterior spinal cord, the fasciculus gracilis and the fasciculus cuneatus. Those fasciculus gather sensory information from the body's periphery via skin and joint receptors, then sending the information to the superior cerebral structures. The dorsal column deals with fine touch, two-point discrimination, conscious proprioception, and vibration sensations from the body. So the spinal cord, the pathway travels to the dorsal column, and in the brainstem, it is then transmitted through the medial lemniscus. There are three order neurons involved in this pathway that orchestrate the signal transmission from the skin and joints to the cerebral cortex. The first order of neurons are found in the dorsal root ganglia at all the spinal levels, giving rise to the nucleus gracilis tract in the lower proportion and the nucleus cuneatus tract in the upper extremity. The axons comprise these fasciculi, ascend laterally to the medulla, where they synapse, which is the second order of neurons. So you see in this picture, it has it color-coded where it shows the first order neuron, the second order of neurons, and the third order of neurons, just to kind of show where their placement is. The second order of neurons are located in the medulla oblongata, and their cell bodies form the gracile and cuneata nuclei. The axons are referred to as the internal acute fibers, which desiccate to form medial lemniscus, then ascends to the contralateral brainstem to project the ventral posterolateral, which is the VPL, nucleus to the thalamus. The third order of neurons, the VPL, neurons which are located in the thalamus send axons to the posterior limb of the internal capsule to the sensosomatosensory cortex, which are in areas 3, 1, and 2. So here's just a picture that gives a rundown so you can kind of see how it goes down to the sensory input. And this is a picture from the book. It also gives the rundown as well. Thank you so much.